The Golden Treasure. Once upon a time, I had a long ride with a mountain bike to the mount top. There came up a place peaceful and desolate, nature beauty filled, the dark clouds covered, the sun was sunk in deep, golden ray still arose, waved me to come closer. I stopped my ride, and stood up closer, and enjoyed viewing, until I forgot the reality, that I could return home. There I learned a lesson: the nature is delightful, one must feel at home to ignite the intention, and the peaceful mind. The golden treasure in my heart.